Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a screen lock on Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings application. This is where all the customization and security settings for your phone are located. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the Security and Privacy option. Tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the Device Unlock option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Screen Lock option. Tap on it. This will show you the various methods available to lock your device. Step 5. At this stage, you will see multiple screen lock types, such as pattern, PIN, password, and biometric options, fingerprint or face unlock, depending on your device model. Step 6. For the last and most important step, choose your preferred lock type. For this tutorial, I will select the pattern lock option. Draw your preferred pattern on the screen. Redraw the pattern to confirm your selection. Once confirmed, your new screen lock is successfully set up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.